We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a Canon imageCLASS D-1550 printer. So just follow these steps and you can help eliminate some jams. Alright, so one of the causes is going to be the settings in your paper tray. So go ahead and pull your tray out. You have these little tabs here that you can move. You would move these if you're changing the type of media that you're using. So you want to make sure that they are locked into place. You would move them when you're using paper, like legal paper, envelopes, cards, much more. Also, when you're filling your tray, you don't want to fill past this. This is your max level indicator. If you do, then it could cause the printer to jam. Another cause is going to be the paper alignment. So sometimes the paper inside of your tray, if you refill it and just stick the paper in there, a lot of times it's not going to be very even. So what we do is take your old paper and mix the two together. Then you want to fan out the paper to remove any condensation that may make the paper stick together. Then you'll want to align all edges of the paper, that way they're even on all sides. And then finally you want to put the paper back into the tray. Make sure it's not too loose or too tight. Alright guys, so if you follow these steps, it'll help eliminate some jams, but not all. So it might be time to put your printer in for a service if you still see jams. Other than that, thanks for watching this video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.